I recently bought an Ender-3 from banggood.com. Here is the SKU. Come on, camera, focus. SKU 9252. Looks like a 09-W something or other. It's hard to make out because you guys put packing tape over it. And here's the other thing that was on the box. Okay, now there's a few problems here. If I go to the menu and select Move Access, I go to move the X, it moves. If I go to move the Y, it moves. If I go to move the Z, it moves. If I go to move the extruder, nothing happens. The extruder does not move. Now, if I swap the stepper motor cable off of the extruder onto the X, and I swap from the X to the extruder, then if I turn the extruder with its cable on the X stepper, that stepper doesn't move. And if I turn the X with the X cable on the extruder does move. So the stepper motors are fine. The stepper motors are fine. It looks like there's a problem with the control board in here. It's faulty. Now that's the first problem. The second problem is, okay, so if you look at the, here, let me get a flashlight. If you look at all the limit switches, you can see that there's a little metal lever right here. And this one has its little metal lever as well right here. But if we look at the Y, if you look in there, you can see that there's the little metal lever is missing. And as a result, when we try to use this machine, the Y limit switch does not work. So that's faulty, needs to be replaced. The third thing wrong with it is that this build tack surface is supposed to be glued onto this plastic sheet, but it arrived already coming off on all four corners, here, 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 and here. But you know, it's supposed to be glued on if you look, but it's already coming off. I have not used this machine. This is like brand new, and this is quite a disappointment to me because I paid extra for the expedited shipping, so I get it in a hurry so I could use it, and I'm gonna have to wait for a long time for I guess the replacement parts to come out, because it looks like it needs a new main board because the extruder isn't working, and it needs that new Y limit switch because the one that came with is faulty, and I guess it should get a new one of these or something, because that shouldn't be coming off already, though maybe I can fix that, I don't know. Okay, hopefully you guys can send me some parts so I can get this thing working, because I bought this brand new and it showed up and it wasn't working. Okay, thank you, bye.